Is your webcam refusing to show your smiling face in video calls or recordings? Let's fix that right now. First, we need to make sure your webcam is properly connected and recognized by Windows for most laptops. The webcam is built-in, so there's no physical connection to worrying about for external webcams. Ensure it's securely plugged into a USB port on your PC or laptop. Now, let's dive into Device Manager. Click on the Windows search bar, usually at the bottom left of your screen, and type Device Manager. Once it appears in the search results, click on it to open. In the Device Manager window, look for a category named Cameras or sometimes Imaging Devices. Expand this category by clicking the arrow next to it. You should see your webcam listed here. If you see a yellow exclamation mark next to your webcam's name, it means there's a driver issue. To resolve driver issues, right-click on your webcam from the menu that pops up, select Update Driver, then choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will now search online for the latest drivers for your webcam. If it finds an update, it will install it automatically. If it says the best drivers are already installed, your webcam's drivers are up to date. Next, we need to ensure Windows is actually allowing apps to access your webcam. Open the Windows settings by clicking the Start menu and then the gear icon in Settings. Navigate to Privacy and Security on the left-hand side, then scroll down to find Camera. Make sure that camera access is turned on. Below that, ensure Let Apps Access Your Camera is also toggled to On. You can then scroll down further to grant or deny access to specific individual apps. Finally, test your webcam. Open your favorite video conferencing app like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or even the built-in camera app. Most applications will automatically detect your webcam. If you have multiple cameras connected, you may need to select your desired webcam from the application settings. And there you have it. Your webcam should now be up and running, ready for crystal clear video calls and recordings. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.